In this video, I'll be teaching you a new intraday trading strategy using previous day closing price. Okay, so this strategy and trick is unique. Okay, and this requires. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you a new intraday trading strategy using previous day closing price. Okay, so this strategy and trick is unique. Okay, and this requires no indicators. You just need to observe the previous day closing price and trade today on that. Okay, so I'll be teaching you how you can do this, how the tricks works, and everything I'll be guiding you in this video. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end to understand the strategy and how you can apply. Okay, so I'll be telling you how much is the accuracy and how it works, how you can use it. Okay, so this is very simple. You don't have to use any indicators. You just need to use a 15 minutes candlestick chart and a previous day closing price. Okay, so before I explain you all this about this strategy, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go inside my channel and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and lot of things in my channel. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in intraday trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all the details in my blog spot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video, and here you can see earning proof and feedback from my clients after taking the course. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and also people who had losses have recovered their losses. You can watch all of these things with the proof here, with the latest and recent earning proof with the ledgers. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so a lot of people trusted us and have joined the course, and now they are making profit constantly. And also many people who had losses are starting to recover their losses once they join with me. Okay, so not only to make the profit, once you learn the course with us and learn making profit in intraday trading, you can be financially free, create your own wealth, and you can buy whatever you want. Okay, so to achieve this dream, I'll be helping you in my course. Okay, and also if you're in loss, if you're stressed, if you're depressed, don't worry. I'll be motivating you to make profit constantly, because just with a capital of 5 to 10,000 rupees capital, you can earn 1,000 rupees per day. So for all of these things, I'll be guiding you in my course. And also if you're a beginner, I'll guide you from the basics what is needed to make profit constantly. Okay, so you might have taken some other courses, but this course is very unique, and the main motto of this course is to make you earn profit constantly. Okay, so you can check out all these earning proof and feedback messages, and if you guys are interested to make constant profit, you can join us now. And also once you join with me, you will be getting lifetime support plus live market guidance also. So these are the benefit and advantages what you get once you join my course. And in my course, I'll be teaching you what is needed to make profit constantly, the clear cut strategies, and how to pick the stock. Everything will be taught. So once you join my course, you will be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you my 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. I'll be giving you a lifetime support plus live market guidance also, as I already said you. And I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. So you don't need to spend full day for trading. Okay, you can earn 1,000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 rupees. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course price are very less and reasonably priced. So if you want to cut your losses today, and if you want to make consistent profit from now onwards, you can join the course, and I'll be guiding you how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the intraday trading strategy what I have to teach you, but that is the previous day closing price trick. Okay, so firstly let me explain you in the theory how it is. Okay, so first what you should do is mark the previous day closing price. Okay, so in the chart you need to mark the previous day closing price. For example, let's say you want to trade Vedanta on 16th of January, so you should mark the previous day's closing price on the chart, that is on 15th. Okay, so let me just go to the NSE website and pull up the 15-day closing price. Also you can see in one day candle also if you're seeing in chart, but to make it easy I'm just marking in the chart. Okay, so I just see the closing price from NSE website. Okay, so we have to trade on 16 Jan, so let's assume we have to trade on 16 Jan. So we will mark the 15th, that is the previous day closing price on the chart. Okay, so that is 198.90. so let's mark the 198.90 here. Okay, so 198.90. So here now we have marked the 198.90. So now what we should do is, on the next day we should wait for the stock to cross over this price. Okay, so now what happens is, notice the crossing price candle. So as you can see, on the next day we saw this price was crossing this line, that is our yesterday's closing price. So this price has crossed it, so this candle. So now what we have to do is mark the high and low of a crossing candle and trade the breakout. It is simple as that. Okay, so now what we should do is mark the previous day closing price. So that's the first step, we done it. And now notice the crossing price candle of a previous closing price, so we got it. And now we should mark the yesterday's, I mean the crossing candles high and low. Got it? So as you can see, this is a crossing candle of previous day's closing price, and the high is 198.90 and the low is 197.80. So now what you should do is, so if this stock gives a breakout on buy side, if the stock is moving above this, that is above this line, that is 200.30, we will buy it. Okay, but if the stock goes down we will sell it. If it's breaking 197.80, we'll keep a buffer of 10 to 25 some and sell it. Okay, so once you sell it, as you can see, the stock fell all the way down till 195.70 on the day. So this is how the strategy is, and this is how you can work on this strategy. So very is simple and very easy, and no need to use any indicators as I said you. And you can keep zero point 0.3 to 0.5% as a target and it will work easily. Okay, so now let's assume you have to trade on 17th. Okay, so now you have to observe the 16th January 16th closing price. So let's say the January 16th closing price is 196.30. So we will mark it here, 196.30, 196.30. So here is it. Okay, so now what we will do is we'll wait for the crossing candle for this price. So here is a crossing price of the candle on the next day of the trading. So now here what you will do is you will mark the high and low of the crossing candle. So now if it breaks the low, you will go and sell. If it breaks the buy, you will go and buy. So here as you can see, the high has been broken and the low has also been broken. So if you have kept the 0.3% target, the low is achieved. Okay, so the low of this candle is 196 and this low is 195.40. So zero point 0.3 is achieved, but if you have kept 0.5, the stop loss has it. You can keep the stop loss as 0.5%. Okay, and as you can see, this candle high is 197.30 and the high has been broken here and the stock went all the way up till 198.25. Okay, so here your 0.5% target as met. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so very simple and it works really well. So it has a decent amount of accuracy, that is 70 to 75% of accuracy. But if you guys wish to learn 95% accuracy strategies and want to learn how to make consistent profit from intraday trading and make consistent income from that, and also if you're in losses and if you want to recover the losses, you can join my course. Okay, so in my course I'll be guiding you how you can make money constantly, and in my course I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy strategies which will work consistently to make profit. Okay, so now let's try in other stocks. So let me just open Wipro here. Okay, and also let me go to the NSE India website and load up Wipro history. So Wipro, so if you want to see the closing price, this is how you can see in NSE website. So just type the stock name. and once it loads up you can just go here to the historical data. Okay, so once you click the historical data you get an option of 1 day, 7 days and all these things. So how much ever days you want, you just click on that and click on get data, and the data will load up. Okay, so this is how we can use. So now let's say you have to trade on 18th of January on Wipro. So now what you will do, you will mark the closing price of 17th on the chart. So let's see the closing price on 17th is 335.40. so 335.40 is a closing price. 335.40. 3 let me just mark it again. 335.40. Yeah, so yes, 335.40 was the previous closing price. We have marked it here. Okay, so on the next day what happens is the Wipro opens and here is a crossing candle of the line. So we'll mark the high and low of the crossing candle. The high of this candle is 336.40 and the low is 333.45. As you can see, the stock didn't break the low, so we are not shorting it. So here as you can see, the stock is starting to go up, so we will buy it above 336.40 by keeping 10 to 20 paisa buffer. And as the stock breaks this high, the stock went all the way up to 347, from 336 to 347. It's a very good boom. Okay, so this is how the strategy is working. So you guys can backtest it and leave a comment in this video how it's working. Okay, and give a feedback about this strategy. So this is a new strategy what I found. Okay, so I was just backtesting it for the few days and I thought of sharing this new trick. So if you guys like this trick and if you want to learn more tricks like this, do subscribe to my channel and like this video and support this video. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit I made on what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you on the next one very soon.